How to check Hertz rental requirements on Hertz before booking. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. For the rental qualification and requirements, before booking Hertz, what you need is, if you need additional equipment, special equipment is offered at most locations for a normal or no fee. To accommodate you, we offer child safety seats, GPS, vehicles, categorized and hand controls for the physically challenged, and also refer to convenient safety service option when processing your booking. And for the child seats, Hertz offers approved safety seats at all locations. Also, child seats used by Hertz are for children weighing from 5 to 40 pounds. And also, hand controllers are there. And for ski rack, you'll find ice scraper and all season tires. And these are the additional things they give you, so book by looking at these requirements. This is how to check rental requirements on Hertz before booking. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.